Welcome to 2309 Cleburn Lane here in the heart of Northeast Tallahassee. We are located about halfway between Market Square District and Bannerman Crossing, so you get the best of both worlds. Not to mention, this house has all the bells and whistles. Fresh paint throughout, soaring ceilings, a whole house generator, a custom paver entranceway and back patio, heated and cooled garage, and 4-zone AC unit. Now, if that doesn't excite you enough, let's go inside so you can experience the true wow factor. Pretty amazing, right? Now let's take it to the next level. Just imagine the possibilities for having your own heated and cooled garage. Not only is there the opportunity to have temperature-controlled storage for all your valuables, what about converting into a home gym, maybe a game room, or even a home office? The possibilities are endless. So if you're just as excited about this home as I am, you think we're the only ones? Probably not. So set up your showing today.